So guys, for the first method, you just want to unplug your mouse and then plug it back in. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand mice and other pointing devices. Then you want to find your mouse. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, if your mouse comes with a software like my one does, then you want to go to your mouse and then go to settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date for the software itself. And now for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in mouse settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on additional mouse settings. And then you want to click on the pointer options tab. Make sure you have enable pointer precision selected. You want to turn this on, you want to tick this and then click on OK. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure the computer is fully up to date. And now for the next step, you just want to simply restart your computer. And then hopefully one of these methods would have fixed it for you.